Look out, look out. Man. And I don't know how I did it, but I done did it, y'all. I done left my whole damn drum all the way and, at the track in still Montgomery, man. I can't, and still Alabama. I just can't believe it. I can't believe I would do this. Excuse me, sir. What the drum be? Where? Oh, damn, I didn't pass. Man, there we go. Drones. Come on, let me find. Oh, have mine in here. We are. Oh, hello. That's what I need. Oh, this? What is that? Oh, that thing, that. It don't even say what it is. Oh, it's a Mavic Pro Platinum. Just give me that Mavic too. Alright. Excuse me, miss. You can help me get this drone?
Yeah, let me find the key.
Already. Golly, I'm glad they got the damn thing, man. This is, oh, I can't believe I done left my drone. Man, I went. The only bad part about getting this drone, y'all, is that it ain't got no zoom on it. Yeah, so I'ma just be straight. No zoom. I hate not having no zoom. I like the zoom, really. But we're gonna see what I can do, what I can get. They got the Mavic little mean. I don't need none of that. I'm gonna get the right one. Dang. Oh, but hey, miss. We getting this one over here, miss. We getting this one right there.
The Mavic.
Gonna get that Mavic too. What you finna check, miss?
Make sure we got it.
There's one right there, man. Ain't no way I can leave here without that thing.
You talking about the display?
I gotta get it. I got to, miss. It's emergency. Emergency. I ain't lying. They done hired me for an event to use a drone. I went to another track that's 2 hours away and used it over there. And then I accidentally done left it over there. 2 hours away, miss. 2 hours away. When they paying me, they done got my rental car, all that, miss.
I know.
They don't. Maybe over there, one of them,
Yeah,
man.
just the air.
Yeah, that ain't it. Please be. Oh man, they ain't got what I need.
You can't use the air?
Miss, tell the manager, miss. Tell the manager. I don't even need none of the other stuff. All I need is just that right there. They got
That's
exact.
fake.
Huh?
That's fake.
It is. Oh.
You know, they bring that to us to
Display?
display.
Oh, they ain't got no real one. Miss, I'm finna cry.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you right now, I'm finna cry. God. Oh, wait. All these Rs, man. Oh, they ain't got nothing but some Rs. Miss, any recommendations? I need a recommendation. I mean,
I don't know. Honestly.
What about these malls? Nobody sell electronics?
I know Target and Walmart got drones.
Okay, let me go. Oh man, I'm finna cry.
So you're a drone man.
Yes, man, I'm the drone man. Here go my YouTube channel. Bam. I got a YouTube channel. Lee, I don't know what to do, man. I got all the batteries for that. So I need that. I gotta go get that. Let me go find out what to do, miss. Thank you. Speeding. And drove all the way. About an hour and something away. Come to this Best Buy. I hope they got it. Please, please, pretty please. Where the drones at, sir?
Drones?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sir. So drones, you see the AT&T sign right there? Go straight down.
Well, I'm ready to buy. You gonna go with me to buy it?
Oh, you want to buy it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let me get some
sir.
right here.
Okay, I'm gonna be over there at the drones, cameras, restrooms. should be about cameras. Okay, there we go. There you go. Mavic 2, Mavic 2, they got 2 of them. They got 2 Mavic 2s, okay. Let me see. Oh, they got both of them. Matter of fact, this the Mavic 2 Pro. Is this the zoom? Oh yeah, this the one. Bam, that's good. They got the one that I use. There's a difference between the two. I need this one right here, sir.
That right there?
Yeah, Mavic Pro 2 zoom.
Sure, we got it installed real quick.
Yeah. They said it was in stock. They already looked, man. I came an hour away.
That's it.
They said it's in there.
And it was the Mavic 2 zoom.
Yeah, it don't look like it's in there.
The zoom might be in the back or something.
Yeah, they said, oh, there it go right there. Oh, there it go. Hey, I'm in stock, baby. I done came back. They thought I was down. Man, golly. I need that thing right there, man. I done drove an hour away for this thing, bro. I done got hired for a job, man. Here, check out my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel.
What, you got a car?
Then I got the cars and everything. QR code on the back and everything. Take it straight to it, man. I'm on it. I'm trying to be anyway. So anyway, I got hired to come do this event, a racing event, filming with the drone. And I went to the event was today. I've been here since Friday, so I decided Saturday to go to another event and get a little extra footage. And the dude who hired me, he was there, so I was like, yeah, let me get him. I got him and left the drone down there and then drove 2 hours away back to my regular event that I was supposed to be at. So now I'm buying a new one. Look, I appreciate it, man. It's going down, y'all. We finna go and get this order. Use this bad ass credit card I got. I ain't got my stimulus yet, so. All right, y'all, look out. Come up out the stove. Got the Mavic 2 zoom in. Man, where I park at? Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, over here. Yeah, but everybody out will be asking, what drone you use? Here you go, y'all. God, man, here you go, man. Look what I ought to do. I'm trying to get back to this track, man. I had to get some gas. I had to get some food. Oh my God. Dang. Hoping ain't no laws up here, man. They talking about the fines are double in this part of town. I don't even want to see. So I seen somebody go live while I was on this road, and I'm just thinking to myself, hey, I need to hurry up, man. I need to hurry up. I'm trying to get there, man. I don't like being in this position, that's for sure. Better slow me down, man. This GP running this shit, though. All I gotta do is follow him. He gonna get pulled over first. He trying to depot this dude out the way with the dude in the BMW. He ain't trying to hurry. He don't want to move BMW. Push him, G, push him. The BMW ain't looking at him. Uh-oh, he ain't fine double. Oh. Stop now. Let's go. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.